Hello everyone, my name is Jessica and today I'm going to take you through a lower body workout that you don't even need to stand up for. So this workout's comprised of donkey kicks, fire hydrants, hip thrusters, and at the end some crunches and sit-up holds. So we're going to go through this workout 3 times today together, and it's really simple. Just do what you can. Inhale as you lower. Exhale as you press up through that spine, just finding that neutral spine there. Working through our cat-cow. Once you've got it, lift your right leg, donkey kicks. We're doing 20. 2, inhale lower, exhale lift. 3, 4, keeping your hips even. 5, 6, that's it. 7, 8, squeezing your right glute. 9, and 10 more. Elevate your left hand to make it harder. 9, 8, 7, good. Inhale lower, exhale lift for 6, 5, 4, 3 to go. Squeezing, pushing. 2 and 1. Straighten that leg. Tiny pulses for 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire hydrants for 20. 2, 3, keep your knee nice and high. 4, 5, hips straight, that's it. 6, 7, really squeezing. 8, get into that glute. 9 and 10 to go. 9, think about your back. 8, is it straight? 7, 6, well done, keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now straight leg. Good. Going into our rainbows, tap on each side for 20. 2, 3, lifting it just as high so your back doesn't move. That's it, keep it up. Squeezing through those glutes, finding that neutral spine, imprinting a tiny bit, so tucking your pelvis forward a tiny bit, squeezing your abs. Listen to a good song if you need, just keep it up. Almost there, flexing that foot so you're getting through your calf muscle as well. And then coming onto the other side, donkey kicks for 19, 18, there we go, 17, 16, evening it out, 15, 14, 13, last 12, 11, we've got 10, elevate the opposite arm to make it harder. 8, 7, I know I skipped a few. 6, it's because you should still be working. 5, do not stop. 4, 3 to go. 2 and 1, straight leg, pulse it out. 4, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, make sure your hips are even. 10, 9, 8, good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now coming into our fire hydrants again for 20. Breathing and squeezing, working through that left side, lifting your knee up almost as high as your hip if you can get there. And try not to pivot through your hips. So try to keep your hips as straight as possible, allowing our obliques through our abs to work as well. So you're getting your glutes, but secondary you're going to get your abs and a little bit through your lats as you'll see yourself slightly tensing through those arms. Good, now we've got our rainbows side to side for 18, keep it going. 17, 16, tapping each side. 15, 14, 12, 11, very good. 10, squeezing your glutes. 9, 8, 7, 6 to go. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Well done. Inhale to lower. Coming onto your back now, we're moving into our hip thrusters. So we're going to be elevating our hips. You don't want to push through your hands. Tuck through your pelvis, squeeze those abs as if you're squishing a marshmallow under your back. Inhale, prepare, exhale, lift. For 19, drive through your heels. 18, good. 17, 16, nice work. 15, 14, not pressing through the hands. 13, 12, very good. We've got 11, 10 to go. 9, exhale, lift, inhale, lower. 8, 7, beautiful work. 6, thinking about that muscle, thinking about squeezing through those glutes. Well done, almost there. Hips nice and high and then hold it there. We're going to pulse. Pulse for 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 9, 8, hips high. 7, 6, 5 to go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it there. Inner thighs. Here we go. Lift them up. In, out for 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with me. 8, good. 9, 10 to go. 9, hips high. 8, 7, 6 more. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Hold. Good job. Elevate through your left leg. Inhale to lower. Exhale, lift. Just 10 this time. 9. If this is too much, put both feet on the floor. 8. 7. Beautiful. Drive through your right leg. 6. 5. Bend your knee if you need. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Well done. Other side. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift for 10. 9. 8. Very good. 6. Drive through your left leg. 5. Bend your knee if you need. 4. 3 to go. Almost there. 2 then crunches. And 1. Well done. Coming down. Preparing for your crunches. So inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Option 1, feet on the floor. Option 2, feet up. 3, 4, we're getting all the way to 25. Very good. 6, push your lower back into the mat. 7, 8, well done. Elbows wide. 9, and 10 more. Here we go. 9, you can extend your legs straight to make it even harder. 8, 7, just as long as you're working through your abs, not your back. So you don't want to feel this in your neck. 6, 5 to go. 4, well done, almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up there, so hold it up there. Tiny little pulses with your hands. Inhale, lower, exhale, lift. As many as you can, otherwise if it hurts your neck, you can hold your neck. Keep going, keep breathing. Inhale to lower.